Paryushan 2025 begins on August 20th. Race a gentle day 1 sattvic meal plan with Jain-friendly recipes to keep you light, focused, and spiritually energized. Purification of the mind, body, and soul is the goal of Paryushan, which goes beyond simple fasting or dietary restrictions. Many people start the festival by eating a lighter, more sattvic diet that encourages introspection, meditation, and spiritual development. The dates of this year's Paryushan celebrations are August 2028. You might select straightforward, healthful meals that are satisfying and in line with Jain ideals on day 1 of Paryushan 2025. Race a gentle meal plan to help you begin the festival on the right note. The first meal of the day should be easy to digest, giving you energy without heaviness. Some ideas: tip: sip on warm water or light herbal tea to aid digestion. Lunch should be satisfying yet simple, made with fresh ingredients. Tip: eat mindfully, without distraction, to stay in tune with the spiritual essence of Paryushan. Dinner should be early and light so the body can rest well. Tip: try to finish dinner before sunset, as many Jains prefer not to eat after dark during Paryushan. Also read Paryushan 2025 date, significance, rituals, food and